Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power sunroof, power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.